how to get back your TikTok drafts after deleting the app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get back your TikTok drafts after deleting the app or switching devices. First, as I want to inform you that TikTok save draft only on the device where they were created. They are not stored on the TikTok servers, so deleting the entire application, reinstalling it, or switching to a new device can cause draft to disappear permanently. Instead of that, you can check for the backups like on your iPhone or iTunes. If you regular backup your every data, for that simply tap on settings. From settings section, you'll have to tap on general. From general, as you have to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, tap on the option erase all contents and settings. From here, you'll have to just tap on continue and look for the backup during setup. After you restore from the backup, reinstall the TikTok and drafts may appear from the backup. And that's it. These are the methods you can try to get back your drafts video after you uninstall the application. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.